To remove the SIM card from Motorola Edge 15 Neo, first you will need to grab your phone. Then find the SIM ejection tool. It's quite easy since this device comes with one of them, like it looks like this. And then stick the pointy edge in the gap right there. When you use a bit of the force, it will open the slot, and now we can remove it with our fingernails. Then, as you can see, the SIM card is inserted and it's quite hard to remove it like this. So what I would do is turn it upside down so we can see those three gaps. Grab your SIM ejection tool again and then just fit it in there like that to remove the SIM card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.